Hi friends, welcome you to my YouTube channel Smart Study Point. So friend, in last video I have told you about theorem 10.2 and in this video I will tell you about theorem 10.3 of a class 9 NCERT book. Friends, in this theorem we are given that perpendicular from the center bisect the chord. So friend, in this video I will tell you how to prove this theorem 10.3. In this figure I have done the figure. It's given that O is the center, AB is the chord. At any part of the circle you can take. I have taken here, you can take in any other part. And we are given that OC is perpendicular on AB, so that OCB and OCA is 90 degree. What we have to prove here, that we have to prove AC equal to BC. So friends, it's a very easy process. So friends, let's start the proving. So first, as always, I will write here given, that is AB is the chord, AB is the chord and OC is perpendicular on AB. And to prove what we are given to prove, that is AC equal to BC, AC is equal to BC. And friends, here we need construction, so I will write here construction. Construction is that join radius OA and OB. To prove this, we have to join the radius OA and OB, so that by congruency condition I can prove this question. So let's start the proof. So proof is, to make this figure, to make this proof perfectly, I will take triangle OAC and OBC and make them congruent. In triangle OAC and triangle OBC, as OA is equal to OB. So friends, what is the reason here? That is radii of same circle. So friends, it's a very easy process. And the next is here, that is OCA equal to OCB, OCA angle OCA equal to angle OCB is equal to 90 degree. That is given. So friends, I have written here given because in given I have written that OC is perpendicular on AB. Any line which is perpendicular, its angle is 90 degree. So we have taken two conditions and we need only one condition more. I can write here that OC equal to CO, or you can write OC equal to OC anything. That is the common side. That is the common side. This side is the common side, so I have written here OC equal to CO. So now, therefore, triangle OAC is congruent to triangle OBC. By friends, here we will take the congruency condition of RHS, right angle hypotenuse side. By RHS congruency condition, we have proved that OAC equal to OBC because it is 90 degrees. So I have taken here RHS congruency condition. So I can write here that AC equal to BC by corresponding parts of congruent triangles. As these two triangles are congruent, so by CPCT, these two triangles are congruent. So friends, we have proved this theorem, perpendicular from the center bisect the chord. So friends, if you like this video, then please share this video and please subscribe my channel so that I can bring more and more videos related to your studies and many more. So friends, thanks for watching.